Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. This is a very exciting unboxing and it's my second Fabfitfun. This is what it looks like. Beautiful, beautiful box. Absolutely stunning design. And it's in support of Global Gift Foundation Girls in Action Alliance with Eva Longoria Foundation. It says there. If you're new to Fabfitfun, I will give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about. But as always, if you've seen it all before and you're just interested in seeing what I chose and the surprise items inside this box, then I will add a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Fabfitfun is not a brand new subscription, but it's brand new to the UK. This is the second box to be shipped to the UK. It's a US box and shipping within the US is free, but shipping to the UK is just $10, so it's not too bad. The cost of the box is $49.99, which is pricier than a lot of the other boxes I get, but you only get 4 a year. So for customs then, a lot of you mentioned customs in my last post. It gets sent by courier and I pay a tax. So altogether I pay $49.99 for the box, I pay $10 for shipping, and the tax worked out around about $7 or $8. So altogether what is that? Call it $68. So it is a bit pricey, but every box is guaranteed to be worth at least $200 or more. I was super impressed with my first box. Oh, so I absolutely loved it. It's a box that I can't say it's my favourite box yet because it's the second time I've only ever had it. But it's a box that is getting me excited. As soon as it came today, I was like, oh, I'm dying to do it. I'm dying to do a video so I can open it up and share it with you and then like play with my goodies afterwards. You have a mix in there. You have a mix of everything you can think of. It's not all to do with, you'd assume Fabfitfun, you'd think it's all to do with fitness. It's not. You get to customise when you sign up and you can say your preferences and you get to choose, say, what do you think of, I don't know, necklaces for instance, and you can say, I like a lot, I don't like, it's alright, stuff like that. So you get to personalise your box to an extent. There is quite a few questions related to that, but you could receive jewellery, you could receive clothing, you could receive electrical, gadgets, makeup, skincare, and anything. Household items like vases. It's all a bit random, but they're all full size and they're all gorgeous products. If you take out your subscription now, you get a chance to customize your box. But if you decide to go for a season by season subscription, the next box you go for, your customization goes down, so you only get to choose a couple of things, I think. And then if you decide to go for an annual subscription, your customization comes back and you're able to fully customize and early as well. So if I've got that wrong, I will add it down below. I'll put it in the pinned comments and I'll put it in my description as well. Well, that is what I believe, but because I've changed my subscription from seasonally to annual, it's still a little bit confusing for me, but I hope I'm making sense. Sometimes these boxes sell out quick, so if you sign up, you will still be given a box, but it'll be known as an editor's box. Now, in this editor's box, you will get items that may have been in previous boxes. So there might be like bits from that box, bits from that box. So it all be like a bit of a mishmash, but the products will definitely be worth $200 or more. And then your box after that, then you'll be on track and you'll be getting the same as everyone else. I forgot to say that an annual subscription costs $179.99. Fabfitfun have a huge website. They've got a community forum, and which I haven't even accessed yet. I need to get onto it, but they also have a shop. Now on there they have lots and lots of beauty products that you're able to buy at a discounted price. They also bring out what is known as an edit or a sale edit, and in that edit it means that you're able to purchase items whatever you want. There was loads there to start off with. There's like 10 pages or more, I don't know, there was loads anyway, and whatever you choose, it then gets shipped with your next box and you get billed at the same time. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, I will link it down below. I have got a refer a friend code which entitles you to $10 off your first box, and I will pop that down below as well. So underneath this video you'll see show more, just click that and that'll bring a description and everything related to this box, and as much information I can find, including my refer a friend code, will be listed down there, so you're welcome to take a look. So let me open it up and show you what I got inside. I haven't even opened it yet. Not yet. Obviously I know some things that I'm getting because I chose them, but I haven't opened it. It's so pretty. Look at it. It is so pretty. So pretty. Huge box, huge box. So inside you get a magazine, and in here details everything about the products that is inside this box. Plus it tells you the other things that are up for grabs as well. It's a really decent magazine. I really enjoyed reading the last one, so I'll be referring to this as we go along. Let's rip it open. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh, there's just so many stuff. There's just so much stuff. Look. I want to show you before it all falls out. I am so excited, really excited. Right, I'm going to put this down to the side of me. So the biggest item, and one of the first things I chose, it's a travel hairdryer. So it looks like there. So this is by Sutra Beauty, marble, blow dryer, travel size, and yeah, that's about it. I wanted a travel hairdryer. Oh my word, that is so cute. It's a little diffuser. I'll show you now, hold on. I'm too excited, too excited. It's just really mini. Travel hairdryers are handy. I've got quite a big heavy hairdryer, and if we go away, oh this is so small, I've never seen such a small one. If we go away anywhere, either the hairdryer in the room we're staying in or hotel we're staying in or whatever, it's not that great, or they haven't got one. I tend to bring my big one everywhere I go, so I thought this would be really handy. Look how small that is. There's my hand. That is super small, isn't it? I wasn't expecting, obviously I saw it beforehand, but not actually in the flesh. It feels nice. For a hairdryer. I know, it's just a hairdryer. And look at it, we've got little dinky nozzles as well. Got a little one there. This is super cute. It's just like, I don't know, it's just like a little doll's hairdryer. Look at that, it's a little mini diffuser. That is tiny. Look, I just fit it in the middle of my hand there. Oh, that is so cute. That is so cute. I love it. Absolutely love it. And small. Really lightweight as well. No, I'm chuffed to that. Really chuffed to that. The recommended retail price for that is $60. And it says, small but mighty, this travel-friendly blow dryer delivers even heat distribution and uses gentle ceramic technology to smooth the cuticles and seal in moisture and shine. $60. Oh, my word. That is quite pricey. Is it honestly $60? I thought maybe 30, 35? I don't know. I've never heard of this brand before, but no, so that's the first item. Next, I've got something I didn't choose. And it is Grace and Stella Spray All Day. And what's this? A rose spray. Hydrating rose facial spray. Oh, thank God for that. I thought, I don't like rose smelling things. I thought it was a rose perfume. And I was like, Grace and Stella, where have I heard that before? I'm sure I've tried something with Grace and Stella before. Sure I have. It says, mist 4 to 5 sprays onto the face with eyes closed before or after makeup. And that's all it says really. It's a cruelty-free brand. Whoa, that is quite a big bottle. How much we got here? 240. Do you see there? Oh, I'm soaked now. A lot has come out there. There's definitely a rose smell going on, definitely, but it's not strong. Definitely one for putting on before makeup, in my case anyway, and not after. The recommended retail price for this spray is $25.95, and it says craving a midnight refresher. Just a spritz of the rose-infused mist will leave you with a fresh and moisturised face. So even though I'm not that keen on rose, I do love sprays. I do love them. So yeah, it's quite nice. I like the packaging as well. It looks quite smart, doesn't it? Next, we got a full-size Generation Clay. It's a face mask, ultraviolet brightening purple clay mask. 100 gram. I think it's full size anyway. Apply an even layered skin, dry skin, wait approximately 10 minutes and wait until the skin starts to tighten. Use water to gently rinse the mask in circular motions, then lightly pat your skin dry. So what you'd expect from a clay mask. So let's see if it says any more information here. The recommended retail price of this is $39. Packed with Davidson Plum, the purple mask works to rejuvenate dull skin and boost hydration. I love clay masks. They're my favourite type of mask, so I'm really chuffed to try that. Really happy. The next item, we've got something small. What's this? Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. Okay, and this is 14 grams. Does it say anything that's there? That's what the outer packaging looks like. Apply to dry or damaged skin, lips and nails to aid in healing. So it sounds like the Dr. Pawpaw, the multi-purpose yellow balm that we get a lot in subscription boxes. So what's the, oh, it's a nice little tube there. Is that upside down? Let's try a little bit. Woo! Ah, it's just coming out on its own. It just wants to come out. I don't want, it's not like a moisturiser, so I don't want to like rub it into my hand. Let's put it on my thumbs. My thumb, oh, it's a mess now. Hold on. The skin, my cuticles. I might as well do the lot. Hold on. I got too much here. It's exactly like the Dr. Pawpaw. I don't know if it'll be any better, but it feels the same. Feels the same anyway. The recommended retail price for this is $30. Way more expensive than a Dr. Pawpaw, which I think is like £6 or something. Multitasking at its finest. This all-natural balm soothes and heals dry or damaged skin. Use it to relieve burns, scrapes, post-procedure skin, and more. So is that item? I'm not as excited by that because I've got a lot of balms like this lying around, but we'll give it a go. It's always handy. I live in a house of 5 people, so things like this are just handy, aren't they? Just keep in the cupboard. You never know when it's needed. So yeah, so it's all right, but it doesn't really excite me. Next, we've got Invisibobbles. Oh, I don't like these at all. It's the Traceless Hair Ring Original. Can you see them? We get a load of these in like pink parcel, and they look cute. I'm going to give them to my daughter. But you've got 6, so you've got some nudie type ones there, and you've got some clear. So they're stretchy. Now I've got really thin hair. I wear a halo hair extension just to thicken up the bottom of my hair. It's long, but it's super, super thin. And if I'm wearing my hair extensions, these are fine. But with my natural hair, no way, no way. They get caught, they knot, and they scare the heck out of me, in all honesty. I just don't like them whatsoever, so I don't use them at all. But if you've got thicker hair, then they might work. They might be okay. But they're supposed to be like snag-free. They're supposed to be like kink-free and all that. But no, I don't like them at all. I've lost my book now. I can't find it. Where is it? Oh. I'm sitting on it. See, I'm not concentrating. I'm too excited. The recommended retail price for this is $16. Whoa. The answer to all your ponytail problems. This revolutionary hair tool provides a strong grip yet leaves your hair traceless. Not for me, so not excited about that, sorry. So next item, we've got something here. What is this? It is Intelligent Nutrients Plant Stem Cell Science. Okay, and this is Refining Micro Polish. Soothes, exfoliates, superfine treatment, gently sweeps away dull surface skin, dulls surface cells, and purifies pores for all skins. Oh, that sounds right up my street, and it's 100 mils. Let's see how to package in there. So a nice big tube. So the recommended retail price for this is $57. Intelligent is right. This unique formula is created with plant jojoba beads, which are plant-based, biodegradable, and great for the skin. Just massage it gently into skin and rinse to reveal refined pores and a fresh, smooth face. And I'm really happy with that. The next item, I didn't choose this either. Hold on, I'm starting to remember. I think I chose a mystery item. So I don't know what is my mystery item. Maybe it's this, I don't know. It's Whish, and this is Exfoliating Foot Mask. Soothes and softens intense hydration, 75 mils. Now that really excites me. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see properly there. My feet are just, they're just minging. They're disgusting. They are really disgusting. I tend to not wear shoes at home, in the garden, or around the house, everywhere, concrete floor, soil. I don't tend to wear shoes. My feet are in need of looking after. Exfoliate, polish, and soothe. That's what it looks like there. The recommended retail price for this is $32. And it says, get your feet sandal ready. Natural ingredients like willow bark, extract, and pumpkin seed. Exfoliate and polish for your softest feet ever. Yeah, I don't have anything like that, so I'm really, really happy I got that. And I've just had a look in the box, and the last two are items I chose. This is a piece of jewellery, and it looked really pretty online. I remember choosing this. And oh yeah, it is. It is really nice. It looks like a bracelet, but it's, what is it? It is a necklace. I'll show you what it looks like there first. Really pretty, really pretty. I don't wear a lot of gold, but I do like to wear it in the summer. When I've got a fake tan, I do like to wear quite a bit of gold jewellery then. It's a choker. I remember now, it's a choker. So you've got the little clasp, you've got a little clasp there, and that's what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? So it's a double layered choker. Really, really nice. Really happy with that. The recommended retail price for this is $50, and it says Starlight Starbright. There are 1,000,001 ways to style a dainty, timeless necklace like this one. That's all the information it says in there. So that's that item there. And then the last item is a 111 Skin Harley Street London Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. And there's 5 in here. I've tried 111 Skin products before. I think I've tried a serum. I think I've tried an eye serum. In all honesty, it's expensive as anything. It is super expensive. I think I had it from a glossy box, but I didn't notice much different. It was nice to use and everything, but I didn't notice much difference. But I have used a facial cleanser and it is gorgeous, really gorgeous. So I thought, oh, I like my masks. So there's no way that I would go out and be able to afford this. So I thought I'd treat myself to it. So what's it say about it in here? Oh my God. The recommended retail price for these is $160. Seriously. $160. I know my cleanser was about £70, and I know the serum was about £100 odd. All that glitters is gold, and this decadent treatment mask is no exception. It features 24 karat gold and Rosa Damascena extract to brighten, soothe and hydrate your skin. Just a sheet mask. Not just any sheet mask though. How much is 160 divided by 5? My calculator says $32. $32 a mask. That's bonkers, isn't it? Oh my gosh, okay. Out of everything I've got, I am really chuffed, really chuffed. You've got that foot cream, you've got that exfoliator, you've got the jewellery, the mask, the hairdryer. There's 2 items that don't really excite me. No, in actual fact, there's one that doesn't really excite me, and that is the balm, only because I've got a lot of it anyway. A lot of similar items like that anyway. And the other thing are those useless bobbles. For me, they just don't work on my hair. I just find them useless. So yeah, unfortunately, that's a wasted product for me. But Fabfitfun don't know that, do they? So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Are you getting it? Have you got it? Are you from the UK? Are you from the US? What do you think of it? They do ship to other countries, but then don't ship all over the world. I forgot to say that at the beginning. So I hope you'd enjoyed watching it. I hope I haven't annoyed the heck out of you with my excitement. If you thought it was okay, then please leave me a big like, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.